Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of the interval exercise series. So today we'll work on these exercises. Some guidelines. We are given a bottom note. We're always counting up. And we need to find, for example, for this case, a major third of this note. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so it's an F. So first of all, you get your quantity first. So then quality. All right, so there's a formula that you can follow, a guideline that you can follow. So FGA, always grab A first, then check the interval. So major third, we want a 2 whole step distance, so we're good here. F, G, G, A, we should be good, okay? Augmented fourth is a G note, so again, get quantity first, so G, A, B, C, we should have a C. All right. And this one would be our perfect fourth if we do nothing. But in this case, we want an augmented fourth. So let's raise that. Okay, we have C note. We want a minor second. So we go to D first, but then we lower it because we want a minor second distance. Okay, we want a half step distance. Perfect eighth. Not much you should do because it's an E. If you want a perfect eighth, just put down another E here, but an octave higher. Perfect unison, P1. Basically, that's just the same note. Okay. That's why I didn't really talk about it in the interval video. So, but now you know. Okay. Minor third. Okay, F. You have an A. So this time it's too big, right? So we need to flatten the A flat. E, major third, grab your G first, E, F, G. Okay, this one seems too small. We need to raise that. We need a G sharp so that we have a 2 whole step distance. Okay, minor 7th. Okay, we have a G. So grab F first. Okay, so that would be your F. So remember, for minor 7, you simply count backwards 1 step. So that should be an F note, right? So we should be good here, actually. Okay, ready? Let's move on. Okay, here. We should be here. All right. Major third again. This time we're starting with the G flat. So G flat, G, A, B. So remember, G to B is already a major third. So if you're lowering the G flat, you might as well lower the B to keep that major third distance. Okay, B flat. B flat, I want a second, so B, C. This time I want an augmented second. So, first of all, B to C is a half step distance, so that would be a minor second. If you flatten that one, that would become a major second. Still half a step shy of augmented second, so we will raise this one. So B flat to C sharp, okay? Okay, major 7th. Okay, so we have a D note. Major 7th. So basically you count backwards. So that should be a C sharp. Count backwards, half step, okay? F sharp, augmented 5th. Let's just grab the 5th first. So F, that should be a C. Okay. And F sharp, I'll just carry the sharp sign over. That should be a C sharp, okay? Major second, F, G. Not much to it. Perfect 5th, okay, we have an E flat, E, F, G, A, B, we have a B. So remember when F and B appear together, you have to be super careful, but we don't have that situation here, so you just carry over the flat sign, and that should be a perfect 5th. A, B, got your B flat, okay, because that will make it a half step distance. On to the bass clef. Okay, be careful here if you're a guitar player or play an instrument that only uses the triple clef. Okay, so we're on the bass clef right now, okay? So this is a B note, diminished 5th, so let's grab the 5th first, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, we gotta be careful here. So normally, if you have that memorized, the perfect 5th of B would be the F sharp would be an F sharp. So if you want to diminish fifth, that's probably it. Okay. This is a G note. Want a minor seventh. So basically, in the back of my head, I already know it is an F. I'm just counting backwards one step. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to put down F here. All right. Perfect fourth. Okay, let's. Okay, this is an A flat. All right. A, B, C, D. I'll grab D first. So perfect fourth. I simply carry over the flat sign. Okay. So remember, there's an exception, F to B flat. So that's the only exception that you have to worry about. We are not in that situation, so you just carry over the flat sign. Okay, we have D note, minor third, so that should be just an F, right? So 1.5 step apart. C, major second. That's it. Okay, we need a major 6 here. So we have a B note here. Okay. So B, let's B, C, D, E, F, G. So that should be a G note first. So let's put it down here. So remember, for B, the perfect fifth would be F sharp. For a major 6, you add one whole step to the perfect fifth, F sharp. So you need a G sharp here. F sharp to G sharp would be one whole step apart. Okay, so G sharp. Okay, B minor second would be C. So we should be good there because they're naturally half step apart. Okay, we got a G flat and G, A, B, C, D. Okay, no, not a trick question. Just carry over the flat sign. You should have your perfect fifth, D flat. All right. Okay, last row for this part. Last few exercise. Let's do them. Okay, so we have an F note, F, G, A, B flat. For some reason, I already did this. Okay, so it's a B flat. So this is the case that you should memorize. Okay, F to B flat, perfect fourth. A to A, B, C, D. This time you want a diminished fourth. Normally this is your perfect fourth. So you just have flatten this note. So you will have your C, D, E, F flat. All right. Okay, you have a C note again. This time I want a third, but augmented. So C, E. But you raise that. Since C to E would be a major third, you have to raise that. Okay, we have an A sharp here where you want a minor third, so definitely a C first. A sharp, C. Alright, so normally A to C would be a minor third, okay? Okay, and A sharp to C would make the distance between them even shorter, so that would make it a diminished third. So that's too small, right? So I have to actually raise C this time to compensate. So A sharp to C sharp. Perfect eighth. So we have a G sharp here, perfect eighth. You're just gonna raise that an octave. Same note here. Sorry. Minor 6. Okay, we have a C note again. So C, D, E, F, G would be your perfect fifth. Minor 6, and then half step up. So that should be A flat. A note here again, major 7. I'm just counting backwards. So G sharp, but you put it up here. You have a G note here, minor 7th. So again, count backwards. That should be an F. Backwards one whole step. So F, but you have to put it up here. Okay, last one. C flat, major third. Let's go to E. So normally C to E would be a major third, but right now you have a C flat, so I have to flatten this one. to keep the major third distance, alright? Okay, that's part 2. I think we still got at least 2 more parts to go, so stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video, alright?